Visit the official Provider Suite page on the OpenGPU website. Click I agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Download for Linux to get the Provider installation script. Open your terminal and paste the following command. Would you like to perform a clean install? Recommended. YN. Type Y to remove any old setup and proceed with a fresh installation. The installer detects your NVIDIA GPU using NVIDIA SMI. Docker service started successfully. Create a new wallet. Enter a password to encrypt your wallet. A private public key pair is generated. Enter your master wallet address, the main wallet that will own and announce your provider. You're ready! True decentralized computing for AI.